First, if you're facing this issue, a drum error, or something like this error message appears. Or this? So what should you do? So, the first thing you need to prepare is a brush and a blower. Just these two items. Once you have them ready, we can start cleaning the drum. First, remove the toner. Normally, when this drum error message appears, the printer will ask you to slide the green tab left and right like this. But after you clean it and put it back into the printer, sometimes the error is still there. Why? Because just cleaning this part is not enough. Inside, there is a corona wire that might still be dirty. So what you need to do is use the brush, insert it carefully, and slide it left and right. After you've cleaned it, don't forget to blow it using the blower. Once that's done, slide the green tab again. Here, there are two contact points. So you should clean those as well. Just normal cleaning is enough. After everything is cleaned, put back the toner. Then, place it back into the printer, and you can run a test print.